Hello, this video is a bit of an extension of another one where we talked about the double circulatory system. We're just looking at the heart itself, the four chambers and their sort of function really. So here's an exploded diagram of the heart. It's not really what a heart looks like, obviously, but it's a schematic to help kind of learn the process. Now, first thing to notice, you see the blue and the red side. This is the right and this is the left, even though it's the other way around. As you look at it, we're looking at essentially my heart on this board, so that's my right and my left, and the right side is blue because it's got deoxygenated blood. So that's one pump, the pump that takes blood from the body and sends it to the lungs. The second pump is the left pump, left side of the heart, that takes blood from the lungs and out to the body. Now, these are two separate pumps, as I said. This wall between them, known as the septum, is a thick line of muscle, nothing exchanged between the two halves, and then within each pump, you've got an atrium and a ventricle. So atrium is an old word for hallway or entrance hall, so that's where blood comes in. Ventricle is coming from Latin, meaning to pump out, vent. So this is the bit that sends the blood out. All right, so now let's just look at the sort of story through a bit more. Blood comes in from the body via the vena cava into the right atrium. This is where the pacemaker cells are that control the pulse of and the pumping of the heart. From there, through this valve, this is an atrioventricular valve between the atrium and the ventricle. So the atrioventricular valve stops blood from going backwards when the ventricle pumps. It ensures blood flows through the right direction. That pumps through the pulmonary artery to the lungs, then back in from the pulmonary vein to the left atrium, another valve, left ventricle. This is the big strong one because this is doing most of the work, the left side, and this pumps out of the left ventricle out to the body through the aorta, the biggest blood vessel in the body. Thanks very much for watching.